Now, I'm gonna show you guys our Cardiff mattress, what's inside our Cardiff. Before we get into it, I've said this in other videos, but there's a lot of factors that we take into account when we're designing a mattress. It's not just a bunch of materials in there. If you look at any website, a lot of them has very similar ingredients in there, but they all feel different and they're all gonna respond differently. I've used this analogy in other videos, but like a great chef, I could have a world-class 3 Michelin-star chef give me all the ingredients he used on his top dish, but it's not gonna taste the same. It's not gonna give you the same taste and flavor as if he were making it, just because he has the recipe and he knows how to put things together. Same thing with the mattress. Very similar ingredients, but they feel and they respond different. And I'm gonna break it down. Now, these are the factors that we consider. Obviously, I've said this in other videos, but less is more. The more layers that are in the bed, it's gonna break down faster. We don't do a lot of layers in the mattress by design because we want it to hold up quite a bit longer than one with a bunch of layers in it. The main factor everybody is looking for when you're looking for a mattress is the comfort. Comfort's obvious, but it's also kind of tricky to pinpoint just because it's so subjective. But what we learned is there's 2 main factors when it comes to comfort, is your pressure relief or the pressure points and back support. You want those 2 things to be correct. We usually say pressure relief plus back support equals comfort. So those are the 2 top things that we'd consider when we're designing a mattress, but also the durability of the mattress. Anybody can make a mattress feel comfortable for a few months. You want it to be comfortable for years. That's why we give you that 10-year love your mattress guarantee. So the durability, or a more important word, is the comfort life. How long is it gonna be comfortable? That's the 3rd factor that we consider, and that comes through the materials and the way it's constructed. Also, temperature regulation. Temperature is actually a big factor. Now, a lot of companies are using these cooling materials on the mattress, and like the high 90%, most of those are gonna be, a lot of it just marketing tricks and smoke and mirrors. They don't really work. It comes down to breathability. Does it breathe? And then also for couples, is there gonna be better motion separation? That's the factor that we consider. And also the edge support. When you sit at the edge, it's gonna hold up. Those are the main factors that we consider when we're designing a mattress. I'm gonna break this down with the Cardiff. It's a hybrid mattress. We consider it a luxury hybrid mattress. I would say it's probably the big brother to the Soledad. The Soledad, one of our best-selling mattresses. We came out with the Cardiff last year. It's almost as good a seller as the Soledad. And what we did differently, you still got the latex, and I'll go from the top. We'll start from the top down, from the outside going in. I'll start with the ticking. The ticking is that part that's closest to your skin. That's the fabric of the mattress. 95% of all mattresses are gonna have some sort of polyester cover in it, because polyester, there's a lot of variety, it's pretty, you can stretch it. There's a lot you can do with the polyester cover. The downside with polyester is it doesn't really breathe that well. What a lot of companies do, us included, we'll use organic cotton in the cover. Organic cotton does give you that breathability. The downside with organic cotton is it doesn't really stretch that much. What we have on this one is, it's kind of a newer fabric, not as well known, not as mainstream, but it's a very cool fabric. It's made from Tencel. It's a Tencel face cover or material. Tencel, it comes from wood pulp. A lot of it comes from a eucalyptus fiber or wood pulp. It gives you the stretchiness of a polyester, but also the breathability of the cotton. So it's a very, very advanced type of fiber, more expensive than your typical polyester, but it's gonna breathe better, it's gonna perform better. And then within there, we still have the New Zealand Jama wool we quilted on the inside. That also gives you that breathability and that temperature regulation. When it comes to like temperature, nothing's gonna make you cool, but it comes down, does the mattress breathe? Do the materials breathe? Tencel wool gives you that breathability. Now, the downside with a lot of natural hybrids like the Soledad or the Del Mar, where people are missing, is sometimes if you want that very cloud-like sinking in feel that you're like in the mattress, then I would say the Soledad's hard to get because it's latex. You don't get a lot of that with just the pure latex. If you want some of that with that enveloping feel, the cradling feel, then that's where the Cardiff comes in. What we did was we put serene foam, an inch of serene foam, and a visco foam on the 2 top layers that gives you that nice enveloping cradling feel that people are looking for. Yeah, you couldn't get that with just the natural latex. You needed a little bit. So if you're looking for an organic latex, it's not it. But if you want comfort without sacrificing the durability, you're still gonna get it with this. You're still gonna get it with the Cardiff. So that is the biggest difference, is this part over the Soledad. Now going back now with the comfort layer, let me open up. Now this is probably the best feature, my favorite feature in our mattresses is, you see we have a zipper here. The zipper, you'll see it and I'll give you a close up. The Cardiff You're able to open it up for one, just like all of our other hybrid mattresses. What that does is it gives you that ability to adjust the firmness. If you're not happy with the mattress, if you're not where the right feel, if there's any issues with the mattress, most of the culprit is gonna be in the comfort layer. That's right here, and we're able to access that. Like I said, less is more. We don't do a bunch of layers in the mattress. We keep it more simple. 3-inch Talalay latex on the top. That's gonna give that balance of the pressure relief, plus that support, a little bit more buoyant feel. And then we have a nice quilted on the inside as well. It comes in extra soft, medium to firm. You know, there's several different firmness options on natural Talalay latex. So that's the comfort layer on this. Before I go to the next layer, the support layer, I wanna mention when it comes back to mattress design, we did it different than most hybrid companies do, is we actually separate the compartments. So we have compartment completely separate for the comfort layer and then the support layer. Back in the day, we had the latex sitting right on top of the springs. Most companies still do that. What happens is the latex will tend to shift over time and then it'll look funky, it'll compromise the support, and then you get a lot of that expansion, that accordion effect inside the spring because nothing was holding it together, it all shift, and it did not perform well. We learned the hard way on this. What we did different, if we put the coils in its own compartment, which gives it a lot more stability, a lot more integrity, a lot more support, just kept the integrity of the mattress over time. So that's a huge part of it. That is the second feature, that whole mattress design compartment. Okay, so now I'm gonna show you guys the support layer. That support layer, one of the most important parts to the whole puzzle, to the mattress. This is what's supporting everything. It's supporting your back, supporting the comfort layer. This all trickles up. There's different support types on it. On hybrids, we use the coils. Now this is a little old funky one. So the pocketed coil is the main coil system that we use. Back in the day, there was a debate between connected and pocketed coils. Pocketed coils tend to be a bit better in my opinion, but you see not all pocketed coils are created equal. This is a typical pocketed coil system. This is one of the main brands, probably the largest coil maker in the world. The vast majority of mattresses are using this type of coil system. They look similar, but there's a difference. So if you notice that these are all in rows, they're all in rows. The upside on that is that they're great for motion separation. For couples, if you're moving around, it's great. If one person's moving around this side, this person's not gonna feel them as much, like that old bowling ball commercial. However, downside on this type of design, which we've learned the hard way because we used to sell this type, is that over time, they would start to separate a bit and then they would start to lean a bit. So when you have this, after a few years, they start to separate and lean, it compromises your support. It ends up causing the mattress to not function the way it's supposed to be. So that's the downside of this. Now, if you could tell the difference, they look similar, but there is a very important difference. You see how these are like in 4-packs? They're not in rows, they're like in a 4-pack, like a good old 4-pack of Guinness. What that's gonna do is it's gonna give you a lot more stable support, a lot more stable coil. You don't get that separation like you're on this one. It's a lot more stable. You still get the individual support, you still get great motion separation without the lean. Now, that's one huge advantage to this one. One of my more favorite features of this type of coil design is your typical coil, they're about 8 inches tall. That's about the average coil height. Almost like an industry standard, they seem to be about 8 inches. But what most companies do, these guys included, which I took one apart earlier, this is your typical coil. They put an 8-inch spring inside of an 8-inch pocket. This is common. What we do on here, we actually put a 10-inch spring. We preload it. We power load it as we put a 10-inch spring, compress it down, and put it into an 8-inch pocket. What that does, it gives you tension. It pushes up and prevents the springs from breaking down or compressing prematurely. It gives you a lot more support, keeps the integrity of the spring system, and also just look at the difference. So if you see, there is an extra turn on the coils on this one. There's more steel on this one. If I were to open this up, you're getting at least another 12 inches of steel over this one, Again, going back to our lens, with durability and support and comfort, having that is gonna hold up quite a bit longer. The more steel you have, just the longevity. People go by coil count. Coil count's not really a good gauge, unless you're comparing apples to apples. It's not really a good metric. This is a lot more important metric. The diameter, the makeup of the spring system, that's really gonna affect the longevity a lot more, and it's a lot more important factor. That is the Cardiff. So we got the luxury hybrid, great if you're looking for that luxury soft feel, and it comes in firm, medium, soft. If you like that nice soft top, but a little bit firmer support, Cardiff is a great way to go. And if you like a really soft cloud-like feel, you can even go with the Cardiff Medium or the Cardiff Soft as well. I hope this helped you guys. Any questions, either contact one of our stores, you can talk to myself or Gabe or one of our trained mattressologists. We'll be able to help you, walk you through it, and even download our mattress shopping guide. Thanks for watching.